My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the browser notifications associated with the website biperaspr.com. biperaspr.com. It's a misleading website currently attacking Google Chrome, Firefox, and other popular browsers. The website biperaspr.com indicates that you need to click the Allow button to subscribe to the push notifications and continue watching. In reality, whenever people mistakenly agree with the proposal and click on Allow, their browser gets immediately hijacked and infected. Clicking on the Allow button will forward the customers to a lot of other sponsored links and sometimes pretty deceptive websites that may even infect the system. Also, after people mistakenly click on Allow, they may start facing the great number of intrusive advertisements that will be displayed randomly in the right bottom part of the screen. So how can you fix your browser and get rid of these intrusive ads? First of all, access the menu, go to Settings, choose Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. In Permissions, select Notifications and pay attention to the list of the sites allowed to send notifications. Once you find this malicious site, biperaspr.com, click on this related button and remove it from the list. And if you see any other junk sites of similar nature, remove them too. I also recommend you to additionally research your computer with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and start researching your computer with its help to make sure that the device is free of other hidden threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protect it against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware. And as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So enjoy Combo Cleaner. Consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.